Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first time you're most definitely welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, of course, a million kisses. Thank you for always showing up for your girl. So today we're going to do this very simple crochet hairstyle with the spring twist or passion twist made from expression braiding hair. As in, it's quite easy and it's totally wow. So please watch with me and learn with me, and please leave all your recommendations, your questions, everything down in the description box below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I'll be waiting and looking forward to hearing from you. And do not forget to also follow all my social media handles: Facebook, Instagram, and why not TikTok. Thank you for coming, guys. I really love this hair and I love the color. Like, it just makes my eyes to pop. Thank you very much. By the way, I used expression braiding hair 1.5. So I used one strand and the half of the other. I cut it into 4. All the hair, I cut it into 4 halves. That's what gave me this length. If you want yours longer, consider cutting into 3 or 2 if you want it really long. Mwah. So guys, I got my expression hair, that's color 24. I actually used 2 pack of it. So I cut it into 2, and then see, I cut it into 2, and then I cut one part into 2 again, so making it 4, cutting it 4 times. I don't know if you understand. So after that, I just stretch it out just to lose the blunt ends. I comb it, and the hair is ready to be used already. So after this stage, I just got my straw, my plastic straw, and my bobby pins. Those are the things you're going to need: my plastic straw, my bobby pins. I fold the hair into 2, I put it there, and I clip it with the bobby pin, and then I twist and wrap around. I twist and wrap around. As you can see, I'm twisting and wrapping. So I just continue doing that until when I get to the end, I fold the straw again and clip it with the bobby pin, and that's what I have. So that's basically what I'm going to continue doing with all the hair. So just to say that I'm going to use 1.5 pack of the expression hair. So I've already stretched 1.5 packs. I'm just going to keep folding and twisting like that until all of the hair is done. After all that is done, I put it in hot water, like boiled water, and then I strain it and leave it overnight. After that, I just take out the hair from the straw, and it's ready to be used. That's all the hair I got. So if you want your hair fuller, you can do all the 2 packs. So now I'm just going to cornrow my hair the normal way. Just cornrow the hair so that I can be able to crochet the attachment on. At this point, I've already that's one part I'm going to use. That's one cornrow, but now at the beginning of the cornrow, I'm going to divide it into 2. That's so that I can make my line in front, or my pattern in front. So I'm going to cornrow that and leave it in the middle where the line ends, and cornrow the next part and leave it in the middle where the line ends. See, it's in the middle. I get the next part, I just unroll, and then I'm going to join both ends together now. See, there you go. You can see now it's just going to form one cornrow at the back. And what I do is at the back there, I just take the end of the previous cornrow and attach it up there, and attach it with the new cornrow, and I just braid all the way down. Now I was trying to do the same for the middle. I was thinking of having a middle part and a side part, but then I discarded the idea. So you can see it's the same thing I did for the previous one. Two cornrows at the beginning that converge into one. Hey guys, please do not forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I do another video. So I am done. That's the end there. I'm just going to crochet the last end there into all the cornrows. Just losing that edge. So that's it. Now I'm going to get my hair.
Almost there. You can do it.
I'm just going to get it, open it in the middle, and just crochet it. Now what I did is the lines at the sides. So the first lines at the sides and at the back, I'm just going to do the crochet really choked up together, a little bit choked up together, like the spacing is just like one finger spacing. I'm going to do that all around. See what I'm doing? Put my hook and close the hook, and then I pull it in. There you go. So you see the spacing is close together, it's quite close together. I'm going to do that all around. See, that's it. And now onto the next side. Now I'm going to increase the spacing. I'm going to do like 3 fingers in between. See that? Yeah, the spacing I'm spacing it out right now. But of course, if you want your hair to be fuller than mine, you can reduce the spacing. Same thing there. Now that is where I want my part to be. So I'm going to change the way I'm crocheting that. You see, I'll put it in, and then I'm going to pull out rather than pulling there. I'm going to get in just one side. See, like tying, I'm tying it. I don't know if you understand. See, before I used to get in the 2 separate ends into the knob, but now I'm just getting just one side. Take a look again. I'm going to separate just one side. See, it's quite close together too. the other side of the pattern. I'm going to still do the same. See, I'm putting in just one side. Leave-in conditioner, that's mere leave-in conditioner. I'll just apply it on the hair. So after applying it, I just go in with my scissors to just trim it and make it look more beautiful. Trimming it all, I'll get my oil sheen, my olive oil sheen, just apply it around to make it shine a little too. Voila, the finished product. Like, I really love this hair. I love the color, I loved everything about it. I got so many compliments. It was beautiful, and I carried it for 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks later, you see, that's how it looks. I could have as well carried it for more. I just needed to apply my leave-in conditioner and just trim again, but then I was thinking of something else to do with my hair. That's why I had to take it out. So you can carry, if you were thinking that the hair doesn't last, it does, and that's how you take it out. You just trim it and you just pull it and it just comes out. That's all, as easy as that. Very easy to install, very easy to take down, and we are done. You just take out your cornrows and voila. Thanks guys for coming. Do consider subscribing and commenting. Ciao.